must think this is an amusement ride. I turned on this filter so they all get under the filter and let it push them down. Looks like it's an amusement ride. Oh. Whee. Strange fish. See if you can see a better angle here. So they get right under there so the water can push them down. I guess fish have to have fun too. And boy, do I have a lot of fish. Keep multiplying. It's like, wee!